Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove texture background in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Now we can see here we added a texture background page. Now we want to remove this texture background. Click the background and go to the shape format menu. Then go to the format shape. Then select the fill option and choose no fill. Then we can see here we remove this texture background of this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.